What's your morning habits? Like go ahead,
Um,
break that out.
my morning habit, and
Mhm,
it's been this way for, well, 9 months now.
mhm,
I honestly had to take a break from listening to Alex Jones. Believe me, that was my part of my morning routine, which wasn't helpful. Not that what he wasn't sharing isn't true. I mean, the stuff he shares and the people he gets on, I'm like, oh my
mhm,
gosh, this is, and he's very intense. So if you can handle his intensity, but what happened is it brought a lot of negativity and a sense of the reality of what we're facing, even right now, with
mhm,
all the garbage that's going on in this world. All the stuff he predicted, years ago, it's all happening now. So it's not even his prediction. He had people on the show saying what was going to happen.
mhm,
Of course, some of those guests have disappeared. So anyway, with that said, I had to take a break. So I made a decision in December. I'm not listening to this anymore. I already
mhm,
know about what's coming. I already know about what's here. I need to focus on what I need to do for my life, my walk with God, and
mhm,
my walk with my family, because this is not helping me right now.
mhm,
It's not serving me. I had to find things that were going to serve me so I could serve that purpose better.
mhm,
And so my morning routine right now is I get up. I literally do the same thing I teach my kids. Get up, wash your face, brush your teeth,
mhm,
drink some water, get some breakfast in your system, and then go and pray and meditate. Take 15, 20 minutes out of your day. I don't care if you read a scripture or a passage or a story in the Bible. I don't care if you pray
mhm,
or meditate. Do one of those three things. Mostly, I'll meditate and pray and read through some scriptures that help me, but that is my morning routine. And then I'll come in and organize my time
mhm,
because it helps me to focus. Believe it or not, people that have to deal with their ADHD to that extent, really, I'm going to tell you right now, as much as you might think it's corny, meditation is insanely incredible.
mhm.
Really helps your mind to focus. And if you stay away from sugar, you're mostly on protein, vegetables, and water. And really, that's my main staple of diet. If you're doing that, dude, your brain, even though you battle with, distraction here and there, is going to deal with focus so much better. So for me, that's what helps me. And so my morning routine beyond just meditation gets in to figure out, okay, what was I going to be doing for this week and what am I going to be doing today? Of course, I have a monthly goal
Mhm.
or have an annual goal, but that's how I start my routine to figure out what I'm going to plan out for the day. Things do get thwarted sometimes and you have to
Mhm.
figure out other things. We had a death in our family, have to sell the house now,
Mhm.
for my
Mhm.
mother-in-law, and I have to deal with helping my wife because now she's in mourning, but yet she's having to deal with title issue stuff. So things
Yeah.
happen, things come through, and now how can I be a better support? What can I do to get the house fixed, prepped up,
Mhm.
and all that? And what do I do to need to move boxes and move furniture, sell stuff? And we're all tag teaming together to try to handle this stuff while she's in mourning. And I'm like
Mhm.
trying to figure all this stuff out with her. But see, that's good because your better preparation is through meditation. And then what is your daily goal that you're going to be reaching today?
Mhm.
That is basically what I do. And that's what's helped me to get to this point right now where I'm
Gotcha.
able to move forward and deal with things better without being
Mhm.
anxious.